If you're serious about tackling home projects or boosting your DIY tool game, this combo of smart tools is a total game changer. The WALABOT DIY 2 is one of the most advanced wall scanners I've tested. It connects right to your Android or iOS smartphone and shows you what's behind the wall in real time, like pipes, wires, and studs, making it way more accurate than traditional stud finders. Pair that with the SKIL Brushless 12V 20V flip drill, a compact powerhouse with great torque and versatility. And you've got a setup that handles any drilling task with ease. The Senses Pro device stands out with its dual laser distance meter, 2-axis smart digital level, and stud-finding precision. It's built for pros but easy enough for homeowners to use, plus it's dust and water resistant with smart app integration. And let's not forget the RYOBI RCT4 120G 4V cordless cutting tool. This hyper green beauty is lightweight, precise, and cordless, which makes it perfect for cutting through tough material without the hassle of cords. Altogether, these tools make DIY and professional jobs cleaner, smarter, and faster. I've added Amazon affiliate links in the description. Using them won't cost you anything extra, but it does help support the channel so I can keep bringing you more honest, hands-on reviews like this one. Let me know which tool you'd like to see in action next.